Ever wondered what fintech is and how it's reshaping the finance industry? Then subscribe now. Press the like to show your appreciation and the notification for more insightful knowledge. Well, let's delve into this fascinating world together. Fintech, a clever blend of the words financial and technology, is all about using technology to make financial services more accessible and efficient. Consider this: have you ever used a mobile app to check your bank balance or transfer money? Or maybe you've used an online service like Venmo or Cash App to pay a friend back for dinner. Perhaps you've even dabbled in digital trading platforms like Robinhood, or explored the cryptic world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. If you've done any of these, congratulations, you've used fintech. Fintech is not just limited to these examples, it's a broad umbrella that covers a wide range of digital financial services. It's about using technology to streamline and improve the way we handle money, from the way we save and invest to how we spend and transfer funds. But fintech isn't just about convenience, it's also about democratization. Automated portfolio managers like Wealthfront or Betterment are making investing accessible to everyone, not just the Wall Street elites. Fintech companies are creating platforms that match borrowers with investors directly, bypassing the traditional banking system. This is transforming the way we access credit, making it easier for individuals and small businesses to get the funds they need. And it's not just about us, the consumers. Fintech is also revolutionizing the banking sector. It's providing banks with increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved security, and an enhanced customer experience. But at the same time, as fintech companies capture more of the market, they pose a potential threat to the stability of the traditional financial sector. So, there you have it. Fintech is innovating and transforming the way we manage and interact with money. It's an exciting field that's constantly evolving and has the potential to truly reshape our financial future. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of fintech in the scenes to come. Fintech is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the world of traditional finance. With the emergence of financial technology, the traditional financial landscape is being reshaped dramatically. From mobile banking to peer-to-peer lending, fintech solutions are making financial services more accessible and efficient than ever before. Consider the impact on traditional banking. Fintech companies have developed platforms where borrowers and investors can connect directly, cutting out the middleman, the traditional bank. This has opened up access to credit for individuals and small businesses, while also offering the potential for higher returns for investors. But the impact of fintech extends beyond banking. Investment platforms are also being disrupted. Automated portfolio managers and trading platforms are offering new ways for people to invest and manage their money. The result is a more democratized financial sector where services once reserved for the few are now accessible to many. Fintech solutions are not just changing how we bank and invest, they are also transforming the operational side of finance. Banks are finding that fintech solutions can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve security. They're enhancing the customer experience, offering greater transparency, and speeding up payments. However, as with any seismic shift, the rise of fintech also brings potential threats. As fintech companies continue to capture more market share, traditional banks and financial institutions face the prospect of eroding profits and increased operating costs. This could pose a risk to the stability of the financial sector, but it's important to remember that fintech is not about destroying traditional finance. It's about evolution. It's about using technology to make finance work better for everyone. It's about breaking down barriers and making financial services more inclusive. In the end, the rise of fintech represents a challenge and an opportunity. Traditional financial institutions must adapt and innovate to stay relevant. Meanwhile, consumers and businesses stand to benefit from a more efficient, accessible, and transparent financial world. Fintech is disrupting the status quo of the financial sector, pushing for a more efficient and accessible financial world. Let's dive deeper into the world of fintech solutions. One shining example of fintech in action is the rise of digital lending and credit. These platforms have transformed the borrowing process into a swift, seamless experience. Gone are the days of lengthy paperwork and waiting in line at the bank. With a few taps on a smartphone, individuals can apply for loans, receive instant approval, and have the funds deposited into their accounts, all from the comfort of their homes. But, like any industry, fintech isn't without its challenges. Security breaches, for instance, are a recurring issue. With financial data being more valuable than ever, fintech platforms are attractive targets for cybercriminals. This necessitates a strong emphasis on cybersecurity measures to protect user data. Transparency is another challenge. As fintech operates in a highly regulated industry, it's vital that these companies operate with the utmost transparency to build trust with consumers and regulators alike. This means clear communication about how user data is stored and used, as well as transparency about fees and costs associated with their services. The fintech space is also highly competitive, with numerous startups vying for a piece of the pie. To stand out, companies need to continuously innovate and offer unique, value-added services to their customers. Legal regulations pose an additional challenge. As fintech companies disrupt traditional financial services, they often find themselves navigating a complex web of regulations which can vary greatly from one country to the next. And finally, there's the issue of user experience. Fintech solutions must be intuitive and user-friendly to gain widespread adoption. This means investing in user interface and user experience design to ensure that their platforms are easy to use and understand. Yet despite these challenges, fintech solutions continue to revolutionize our financial transactions. They're making financial services more accessible, efficient, and customer-centric. By addressing these issues head-on, fintech companies can continue to innovate and reshape the financial landscape. Despite the challenges, fintech solutions are revolutionizing our financial transactions. If you're new to fintech, this is for you. Let's delve into how fintech can truly enhance your life, even if you're just starting your journey. The beauty of financial technology is that it's not just for Wall Street wizards or Silicon Valley whiz kids. It's for everyone, and it's making financial services more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. Consider online banking. Gone are the days of waiting in line at the bank to deposit a check. Now, with just a few taps on your smartphone, you can deposit that check, transfer money, or pay bills. It's all about convenience and saving time. Think about investing. Traditionally, it required a substantial amount of money and knowledge to invest in the stock market. But with fintech platforms like Robinhood or Wealthfront, anyone can start investing with just a few dollars. They offer easy-to-understand interfaces, educational resources, and even automated investing options. This democratization of investing is empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. Now, let's talk about budgeting and personal finance. Managing money can be daunting, but fintech is making it simpler. Apps like Mint or YNAB help you track your spending, create budgets, and set financial goals. They provide a comprehensive view of your finances, enabling you to make informed decisions and build healthy financial habits. Fintech is also breaking down barriers in the lending space. Online lenders leverage technology to provide faster, simpler, and more transparent lending processes. Whether you're looking for a personal loan, a student loan, or a small business loan, fintech platforms can help you find and secure the right loan for your needs. In essence, financial technology is making finance more inclusive and approachable. It's providing tools and services that help individuals and businesses manage their finances more effectively. So, whether you're paying a friend back for dinner, investing in your future, or running a small business, fintech is there to make your financial life easier and more efficient. Fintech is not just for tech-savvy individuals, it's for everyone. Looking to break into the fintech industry, here are some tips. The fintech landscape is vast and ever-evolving, but don't let that intimidate you. There's room for everyone who's eager to learn and contribute. Let's dive into some strategies to help you get started. First off, networking is crucial. The fintech industry is a tight-knit community of innovators and disruptors. Attend industry events, webinars, and workshops. Connect with fintech professionals on social media. Engage in meaningful conversations. This will not only expand your knowledge, but also open doors to potential opportunities. Next, think outside the box. Fintech is all about innovation and disruption. Showcase your ability to think creatively and solve problems. This could be through a personal project, a case study, or even a blog where you discuss fintech trends and ideas. Show your ambition. Fintech companies appreciate individuals who are proactive and eager to make a difference. Demonstrate your passion for the industry, be it through your academic pursuits, your side projects, or your willingness to take on challenging tasks. Internships are an excellent way to gain hands-on experience in the fintech industry. They offer a glimpse into the day-to-day operations of a fintech company, allow you to apply your theoretical knowledge, and hone your skills in a real-world context. Applying for entry-level fintech jobs can also be a great starting point. These positions often require less experience, allowing you to learn while on the job. Finally, consider further study. Several universities and online platforms offer courses on fintech, blockchain, and related fields. These courses can help you gain core skills and a deeper understanding of the industry. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to breaking into fintech. It's about finding what works for you and continuously learning and adapting. With the right approach and dedication, you can find your place in the exciting world of fintech. Already working in tech and considering a move into fintech? Here are some insights. Transitioning into fintech from another tech industry can be a thrilling journey, one that opens doors to an innovative, fast-paced, and ever-evolving sector. This transition, while exciting, requires a strategic approach and a dedication to learning and growth. Let's delve into how you can make this transition smoothly. Firstly, it's important to understand that fintech is a unique blend of finance and technology. So if you're already in tech, you have half the battle won. Your technical skills, whether in coding, data analysis, or software development, are highly valued in the fintech world. However, what can set you apart is your understanding of finance. So, start by familiarizing yourself with financial concepts, markets, and regulations. Now, how do you go about this? Well, there are several paths you can take. Self-study is a great way to begin. There are countless online resources, free and paid, that can help you grasp the basics of finance. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer courses on financial markets, investment strategies, and financial regulations taught by experts from top universities and financial institutions. Another fantastic route is enrolling in a fintech boot camp. These are intensive, short-term training programs that cover everything from the basics of finance to the latest in financial technology. They're designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in the fintech industry. What's more, they often offer hands-on projects and networking opportunities, providing you not just with knowledge, but also with valuable industry connections. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend fintech meetups, join online communities, and connect with professionals in the field. Their insights and advice can prove invaluable as you navigate your transition. Remember, transitioning into fintech is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Transitioning into fintech requires a blend of technical skills and understanding of the financial industry. Embrace this dynamic field and let your journey into fintech begin. As we wrap up our journey into the world of fintech, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways. Fintech, a blend of the words financial and technology, is a potent force transforming the way we manage and interact with our finances. It has given us the power to access, manage, and gain insights into our financial affairs digitally through the use of apps, software, and technology. We've seen how fintech solutions like mobile banking, peer-to-peer payment services, automated portfolio managers, and trading platforms have not only simplified our lives, but also democratized financial services. They've made it easier for individuals and small businesses to access credit, and for investors to earn higher returns. Fintech's impact on the traditional finance world is undeniable. By creating platforms that bypass traditional banks and match borrowers with investors directly, Fintech is changing the game. It's leading to increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved security, enhanced customer experience, increased transparency, accessibility, faster payments, and more. As fintech companies continue to capture market share, they are posing a potential threat to the stability of the financial sector by eroding profits and raising operating costs. But fintech isn't just for the big players, it's for everyone. From digital lending and credit to mobile banking, fintech solutions are becoming part of our everyday lives. They offer convenience and speed, allowing us to apply for loans, receive approval, and get our money quickly. However, as with any industry, fintech is not without its challenges. Issues such as security breaches, low transparency, intense competition, legal regulations, and poor user experience need to be addressed. But with the right tech expertise, these issues can be mitigated. For those seeking a career in this exciting field, we've shared some top tips: networking with industry professionals, thinking outside the box, showcasing ambition, taking on internships, applying for entry-level jobs, and studying to gain core skills. For those already working in the tech industry, boot camps can be an excellent way to transition into fintech. In conclusion, fintech is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolution that's reshaping the financial landscape. It's about leveraging technology to make financial services more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. And as we move into the future, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a career seeker, an investor, a business owner, or just a curious individual, understanding fintech and its implications can be immensely beneficial. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. The world of fintech is wide open, and it's waiting for you. Fintech is shaping the future of finance, and it's an exciting field to explore and be a part of.